First things first, the potatoes. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Take 4 large baking potatoes, give a thorough wash and pat dry. Then prick them with a fork. Now take 2 tablespoons of butter and gently rub it on each potato. Add a pinch of salt and pepper according to your taste, don't overdo it. After seasoning them, place them in the preheated oven. They'll need to bake for about an hour or until they're tender. While those are baking, we'll prepare the shrimp topping. In a skillet over medium heat, melt a tablespoon of butter. Add 2 cloves of minced garlic, followed by a pound of shrimp. Season the shrimp with a teaspoon each of lemon pepper, complete seasoning, and Cajun seasoning. Add half a teaspoon each of salt and pepper and finish with 2 tablespoons of fresh dried parsley. Cook until the shrimp turn pink and are cooked through. This should take about 4 to 5 minutes. Once done, set them aside. Next up, we're making the shrimp Parmesan cheese sauce. In the skillet, melt 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter and sauté a teaspoon of freshly minced garlic until its aroma fills the room. Pour in 1 full cup of cold whipping cream, then add a half teaspoon each of all-purpose seasoning, dried oregano, dried basil, and tomato seasoning. Don't forget to season it with a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and a dash of now. Let it gently simmer. Stir in half a cup each of finely grated Parmesan and sharp cheddar cheese until it all melts and blends smoothly. Add a pound of deveined shrimp and let it cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. Once done, set that aside too. Now let's return to those potatoes. Carefully scoop out the flesh of 2 large baked potatoes, taking care to preserve the skins. Mash the potato flesh around 2 cups with 2 tablespoons of butter, a 1/4 cup of whipping cream, a tablespoon of finely chopped parsley, a teaspoon of garlic and herb seasoning, half a teaspoon of black pepper, a 1/4 cup of sour cream, half a cup of cheddar, and a 1/4 cup of Parmesan. Gently fold in half a pound of cooked shrimp. Spoon this delightful mixture back into the potato skins. Feel free to top with an additional 1/4 cup of cheese if you're in the mood to spoil yourself. For the final assembly, place the 4 stuffed potatoes back in the oven for about 10 to 15 minutes, or until they're heated through and the 2 cups of cheese is melted. Serve hot, topped with your shrimp and 1/2 cup of Parmesan cheese sauce. Let me know in the comments below how this recipe turned out for you. Remember, the recipe with detailed measurements for each ingredient is in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and help Magnolia Moon reach 1,000 subscribers.